Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today we'll be seeing something related to variance or how you can handle data with different data types arriving at you, how to store that particular data having different data types which is coming to you. So earlier, before variance that is introduced in C++17, we use something called as union to store different data types into one kind of a memory location. So instead of the union, this in C++17, we have something called as std variant, which will handle data with different data types. So how we define variant is, if you can see here, we have std variant and it takes in the template argument list, and the template argument list will inform or will give you the clue that how many types of data it can handle or it can store. So it can handle integer type, it can handle string data type, and it can store these two data types in the variant field. So what I have done is I have created a vector of variance so that I can store different data types in this particular vector. Traditionally, vector is used only to store a single type of data. So here, with the help of variant, I will be able to store both integer type and string data type together in a single vector. So that's what I am going to demonstrate it here. So I have created a vector of variance, and what I have done is I have tried to fill this particular vector. So what I have done is I have created a loop from 0 to 9. It starts from 0 to 9, and when the number is even, I will insert a string to this particular variant. Otherwise, I will insert a number integer to this particular variant, and I am going to push that particular variant into the vector of variance. And after that, I will going to retrieve that value from the vector of variance. So how I am going to retrieve the value is using something called as std visit. So this comes as part of the std variant, where you will provide the variant from which you have to retrieve the value, the variant which you are planning to visit. In this particular terminology, if I say you are planning to visit this particular variant, and how you are going to visit, how you are going to visit with the help of this particular lambda function. So in this particular lambda function, what you are trying to do is you are checking the type of the value that you are receiving in this particular lambda. So using the std is same dk type, you are getting the type of this particular value, and then checking if it is an integer, and then do something with integer type. So what I'm doing is I'm just printing the value, and similarly I'm checking if the is same type, dk type of decal type, where if the type is same as std string. If the type is same as std string, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just print the value of the string. So this is how I am going to visit each of the variant data type. So this is a simple program to demonstrate that you can handle different data types which is used in your application and store it in a single container with the help of std variant, which is introduced in C++17 onwards. So let me try to run this particular application to see what is going to be the output. Yeah. Now you can see the output of this particular vector of variant. So first value is a string, and the second value is integer, and likewise in alternate fashion it is string and integer. If it is an even number, it is a string. If it is an odd number, it is an integer. So this is how I am able to store these two different types of data in a single vector. So that's what I want to cover in this particular video. If you want to know more about variance, I have created a blog post on this particular variant. I'll just pin the blog, a link to the particular blog in the description box as well as in the comment box, and do check this particular blog out to know more about variance and other related articles related to C++, and how here we'll be discussing about how you can declare a variant and how you are going to access the variant and std visit, and also covered this std monostate that is used to initialize the null variant kind of a thing. So this and all, you can check that out. If you have any doubt, you can just post it in the comment box, and I will try to reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.